Hello everybody, welcome to today's online class, and I'm so excited about today's video. If you have a child within the ages of 4 to 6, this video is for that child. My name is Mr. Samuel and I'm your online coding instructor. So we're talking about Scratch. What Scratch is all about, using your laptop safely, and talking about the characters or the sprites in Scratch, and we're talking about moving and clicking blocks. Stay tuned. So now this is okay, so now if you look closely at my interface, what are the things you can see? To begin with, you can see codes. All right, you can see these codes here, and then you can see different blocks. The first one is we call it what? Motion. All right, the next one is called looks. The next one is called what? Sound. Next one is called what? Events. Beautiful. What do we call the next one? Control. Next one is called what? Sensing. Next one is called what? Operators. Good job. The next one is called what? Variables. And the last one is called my blocks. Now, here's a little secret you need to know about Scratch. So you see, when it comes to the Scratch software, all the codes have different colors, and these colors are linked to the blocks we took them from. For example, look at all the codes in motion block. Which color are they? Color blue. Beautiful. Let's go to looks. Which color do you see here? Color purple. Now we go to sound. What color do you see here? Pink. Beautiful. Now we go to event. What color do you see there? We have yellow. Now the same for all of the blocks. Now here is your first assignment. Pause this video and go down to all the blocks from the control to the sensing and check all the colors we have there. Okay, so I believe you're done with that, and then let's go ahead. Now we're going to be talking about the next thing of the Scratch software, talking about our coding area. Now look at my mouse pointer very well. You're going to see me highlighting around the particular box. This box is called your coding area. It's called your what? Coding area. It's called your, what is this coding area? All the codes we input, for it to have an effect, it must be placed in the coding area. For example, I want to select this code, move 10 steps. How do I bring it to the coding area? That takes us to our next subtopic, which is called moving and clicking. So I have a mouse here. Now look at this mouse. Okay, now this is my mouse. All right, now if you look at my mouse closely, you're going to see that I have the left click and I have the what? The right click. All right, now we have the scroll button, but we're not going to use the scroll button for this video. So now if I want to select a particular block, I'm going to go to that block, I'm going to left click and then drag it to where I want to be. So the code is left click, drag. We go again, left click and we drag. Now I'm going to give you, now pause this video and then go to your mouse and then know how to left click and right click. Now in case you do not have an external mouse, in case you're using a laptop and you have your mouse pad on your laptop, the same thing. All right, laptop, you also have your left click and your right click at the down part of the mouse pad. All right, so now let's go back to our screen. Okay, now back to our screen, you can see that I'm going to move 10 steps to the coding area. So what's the code again? What's how we do it? We click and we drag. So we left click and we drag. Good job. Now, how many of you are able to do that? Yes. So okay, now we're going to try something else. We are going to see how we can select turn 15 degrees. We're going to click on it and we drag it. Good job. You see that? Now I see that you're getting this straight. All right, now let's try something in looks. All right, let's go to looks. For example, now let's drag say hello for 2 seconds. We click and we do what? We drag it. Beautiful. Now I'm going to give you an assignment. All right, remember I told you from the video that all the blocks can be taken from we can know where we got it from the colors. All right, if you observe these two codes here, they are color blue. It means they're going from which block? The motion block. This code here is purple. All right, the code is purple. So where did we get this purple code from? From looks, correct. So if I go to sound and I select this, because of the color of this code, we can say we got it from which place? From sound. Beautiful. Now all these codes will be selected. How does it work? That takes us to our first character. Can you see this beautiful cat here? Beautiful. It is called a character. Alright, so when it comes to Scratch, we call it Sprite. We call it what? Sprite. Now, I just want people to think that Sprite is a soda drink. No, this is not a soda drink that normally take. This Sprite is our characters. Alright, so when it comes to Scratch or when it comes to coding, Sprites are characters that perform particular codes or particular instructions. Alright, so now I have move 10 steps. I have turn 15 degrees. Now, I'm going to do a little simple magic. It's not really magic, it's called a simple instruction, right? I'm going to tell this sprite to move, alright? To move 10 steps, just as stated in this code. So I'm going to take this away, just so it observes just the first instruction. Now watch and see. I'm going to click on it. Did you observe that the sprite moved? Let's do it again. Did it move? Yes, it did. We'll try it one more time. It moved. Let's click on the next one and see what's going to happen. It turned, right? We try it again. It turned. So let's try the next one and see. It said hello. Let's click on it again and see. It said hello. So you can see that all the instructions we give here, the sprite is the one that executes these instructions. Do you understand? I hope you had fun on our first video, and I can't really wait to see you again on our next video. Alright? My name is Samuel, and I hope you really had fun from today's video. I cannot wait to see you again next week. Have fun, keep coding, keep practicing.